And that's the firefighter.
All right.
Guys, here's that trigger.
Let this guy do the talking.
But we do need to keep them occupied. So if we got to be aggressive, do not shoot them. Yes. You will lose points.
Hello. 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 We just want to talk. We just want to talk. We just want to talk. We just want to talk.
If they shoot me, you can medic me.
Okay.
I'm part of your squad.
We just want to talk.
Fingers off the trigger.
Just to talk. Just to talk. Just to talk.
Okay, fine.
Can I put my gun down?
Hands off your guns.
We talk. I put my gun away.
Can I put my gun here? Take. You hold this. So, we would like to come into your town. Okay? We are looking for something that has been stolen from us.
Okay.
And we would just like to see if we can find it. If we find it, we will make a deal. Bargain with you. Do I need to talk to more of these people?
Unfortunately, every time
I have no weapons. I just want to talk.
Put down your guns.
No guns.
No gun.
Can we talk to you?
Old man Yoda. He wishes to talk with the leader.
I will talk to you. I will talk to you.
I come back.
Can we move this way, away from the firefight over there?
No.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't even see that saw gunner on the roof.
Yeah, I know. I've been looking at him just like, oh.
Yeah, you don't want to fuck with the RPK.
Cool. Yeah, I know that.
I've been in this position before. Police. Oh, jeez. Oh, this game's fun. It's like I can't record this part, but I feel fun like the negotiation part. Yeah.
Oh. Hey, we are just here to talk. We have no weapons.
Get out.
We have no weapons.
What do you want?
I talked to one man. He told me we will talk.
One man doesn't want to talk to you. Talk to me.
That's fine. I will talk to you.
Then talk.
We would like to come in. We are looking for something that was stolen from us. If we find what we are looking for, we will barter with you to get it back.
Who are you with? Who are you with?
What's that?
Who are you with?
We are with militia.
We don't like militia.
But we are trying to do something new for the people. There must be something unique that we have.
Brother Joyce, what do we need? What do you need? I'm pretty good right here. Oh, okay. So we don't need anything.
Listen here, Pilgrim. We are just trying to do something good.
You got money?
Of
You got
course.
about the cash?
Of course we have money.
Bring me about the cash.
I have some here.
Yep.
I have more we can get you.
Okay, you only. You look.
Can I bring one man with me?
No.
It must be one man.
Okay.
One
you.
man. You will be coming with me.
No, him. That one.
Okay. No weapons.
No weapons? All right, yep.
No weapons.
That's
No
fine.
weapons. All you stay like that. You go. Look. This is money.
One now?
Okay.
Well, at least we're not redconning.
If I get lit up, I'm going to be very mad.
I know, the RPK is
Yeah, it's not cool.
is pointed right at me.
Don't make any sudden moves.
Is breathing considered a sudden move?
The firing squad, you got to piss.
I wonder if other militia forces are like just looking at us like,
I'm waiting for some group of tan to come out of the fucking woods and shoot at us. I know.
Well, thankfully, there's limited avenue for tan to appear.
So I think tan. Don't the citizens usually like the militia better than the coalition?
I know. Actually, Tan popping out and attacking would be pretty fun, because that dude would just swing around and just unleash whole...
Like the coalition either?
I don't think they like anybody.
Okay.
Yeah, story-wise, they...
Like anyone.
And I think they would rather attack the guys with guns than us standing here with our hands on our heads.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. You never know. I know if I was him, I wouldn't mind shooting all of us. I'd be very sad if that happens. Especially if it's in the face. In the body is like, it's understandable, but don't shoot me in the face.
Just double checking. My mask is like attached up
You're
properly,
good.
right?
You're good.
Okay, good.
Yeah, you're good.
Hand grenade? How much money? I only looked in one building.
Oh my god, my arms are falling asleep. That's okay.
Oh, that's right. You got those amplifiers on.
The batteries died. I mean, I can still hear them, but... We're gonna get lit up from over there, probably. Oh. That's a lot of fire. Where is the guy that are supposed to put it in?
I don't know.
Anvil actual, this is Anvil 2. Where are you located? This is Anvil 4, say again last. Can you repeat that? Anvil 4, was that call for me? Over.
That must be a pretty
This
fun
is
job,
Anvil 2,
being the
we're
guy in
trying
the
to
roof
reach
of the
Anvil
RC.
actual.
Yeah, except this is the one time he gets to do anything.
Yeah, that's true.
No, you don't know what happens later, before
Command Anvil 4.
the day.
I know, they always add a weird twist.
Like, I remember seeing a bunch of, like, KOFOR trying to negotiate or something over on their side of the town.
And then they got like lull stomped, didn't they?
Still on that front.
Is that green or tan? Walking through the woods over there.
As far as I know, over. Alright, acknowledged.
If they open fire on us, do we get to return fire?
Nope. You get to run.
We run like a motherfucker. I don't think our arms are very good.
I think I'm ducking behind that pole.
You get fucked up.
I think I'm hoping he shoots at the other people first.
For the woods.
I'm picking my gun up and running. I don't care which one.
I've got a sidearm. I'll fucking take him out. It's funny. It's like I had my hands up across my chest. I was covering the pistol with the fucking shamrock. I was like, I'm not falling for this shit. Fucking drawing on you.
Yeah, except we lose points for the whole faction if we shoot him.
What are they doing?
But then again, if I
That's
hold him
militia.
at some point, he can
Oh,
resist.
why is militia invading the town?
Because we did it specifically. We did it specifically. We're distracting. Yeah, we're distracting the town. That's the whole point.
But we're only getting one person, so I don't know how much of the town that is.
We have agreement with your man.
He's getting bored. I feel like the
No. Do not tell him to stop. No, stop.
Stop, man.
Stop. Put the gun
Stand down!
Stand down. Put the gun down.
Drop it!
Drop the shit, man.
They're gonna light us up if you keep pointing at them.
Drop it.
Put your weapon down and walk away.
You're not kidding.
Yeah, get out of there. Just trust us.
I really don't want to die right now, so please put your gun down.
Put the gun down!
Now walk away.
He doesn't think it's down.
I mind shooting. Thank you.
Fair enough.
True, true. But the moment he opens fire, you can easily swing.
This is Anvil 4. We're at the south of the village. Take it fire.
Hold on, we've still got a guy.
Can you repeat?
Weapons?
Anvil 4. I repeat, we're at the south of the city. Taking fire from camp. Over.
Remember, keep your guns down. Don't give him a reason to shoot us.
Don't have to pick up his gun and just keep going.
Yeah, I'm still keeping my hands up. I don't care about you guys think.
pretty tricky. Got Hazardous away with something.
They sold them to the slave trade.